What's the meaning of cork? Cork. Cork.
Cork. Cork. Cork is a versatile, lightweight and buoyant material that is harvested from the bark of the cork oak tree. It is commonly used to make wine bottle stoppers, flooring, insulation, and various other products. Cork is known for its unique properties, including its ability to compress and then expand back to its original shape, making it ideal for sealing purposes. It is also naturally resistant to water, fire, and insects, and has excellent acoustic and thermal insulation properties. Overall, cork is a sustainable and highly useful natural resource with many applications.